Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update AMAZFIT Active Max firmware. Now, go over to the Zepp app on your device. Here you guys want to go over to device, and here you have the Active Max, as you guys can see. Now, what are we going to do next is scroll a bit down until we see General and System Update. Now, if you do not have the latest version, then you will see the update button right here, but I do have the latest version, which is 2.5.0.1 at the moment, and I cannot update. So basically, whenever you download it and install, make sure that you keep your watch charged so it doesn't run out of battery, or it's just not on low battery. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.